Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you some ways that you can open Barclays account online. First and foremost, open your browser and type in open Barclays account and it will show you open a bank account online. Go ahead and open that link. As you do that, it will ask you if you would like to apply for a bank account. This is exactly what we need, so go ahead and open it. Before doing so, it will ask you to download the application as it can be only possible by opening a application. If I try to record the app, it will block due to security purposes, so I won't be able to show it in app. However, if you see this how to open an account online, they have a video by Barclays itself. It says how to apply online for a current account. And all you have to do is play the video. If you would like, you can also choose a account and it will show you various accounts like current, mortgage, and savings. So go ahead and explore this at your own time. Even if you download the application, which I would show you, but the screen recorder app might not capture it. So what you have to do is you have to register first, and once done, follow the on-screen prompt and make sure that you have all your information correct according to your government ID. Follow the on-screen prompt and the process is really simple.